Hey, what's up guys, Ali here from mysocialyou.com and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, we're going to talk about how to manage the email notifications from YouTube. Before we jump into it, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video. Alright, now let's jump into this. So this was my inbox, all these email notifications from YouTube. It was just so not efficient to manage these email notifications from comments and subscribes, but there's a way you can manage these, reduce these, or even simply turn these off. Let me show you how to do it. So we're gonna go to my YouTube, and once you go to your channel, let me resize this window. We are gonna go to click on this icon right here, your face, and then let me first go to my channel, and then you're gonna go click on settings, which is right here. So I'm gonna click on settings, and then on your left hand side find the area called or tab called notifications. So we're gonna click on notifications and scroll down. So it has like two sections here. The first one is general, manage your mobile and desktop notification. These are the notification that you get on your mobile and desktop. And if you scroll down, these are your email notifications. So this is what you want to turn off depending on what type of notifications you want to turn off. If you want to reduce the emails, you can leave some on like I have and turn some off. If you want to turn everything off, you can turn all of these off from right here. But these are the emails that you're getting to your email inbox that's attached to your YouTube channel. So it's very simple, very easy to do, and hopefully you'll get to practice some digital detox that I am doing right now. I've been going through all of my subscriptions and really canceling everything or reducing the emails that I'm getting, because to respond to my comments on YouTube channel, I actually go to YouTube either on the mobile or the desktop. I don't need to see those emails in my inbox. So this is how you can easily manage your email notifications from YouTube. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments below. Before you go, make sure you subscribe, hit the bell icon, and also like this video, and I'm gonna see you in the next one. Bye for now.